Good evening. I'm Chanel, Vehicle Title Expert. Thank you so much for tuning in and thank you in advance for subscribing. So, tonight I will be talking about out of state title transfers for those of you that are moving from one state to another and you're wanting to title and register your vehicle. Okay, I'm going to cover the basics, just the basics of what you should be aware of before you head to the DMV. The first thing I want to share is you want to make sure you have that title or registration card available. Okay, make sure you have that, and it cannot be a photocopy. Let me park here for a moment. So I'm seeing folks go to the DMV or submit work to the DMV, and their title or registration and the documents are photocopies. Be advised the DMV will not title and register a vehicle off of photocopies. Okay, they will not do that. A title is a legal document, a registration card is a legal document, and if they go by a copy, they don't know if their vehicle is active, they don't know the conditions of the vehicle, is it stolen, or whatever. So they will not accept that. In the event, you present that copy or the photocopy of a title or registration, the DMV will advise you to reach out to the state in which you got your title or registration from. Okay, and you will have to wait. It's going to be a waiting game if you're not able to get a rapid title or a quick title from that state. Unfortunately, you will have to wait. Okay, so again, make sure you do not have a photocopy of that title or registration. Another thing is if you're presenting a registration card only, that registration card must be valid. It cannot be expired. So, in the event you provide a registration card that's expired, you must also reach out to that state and request a registration card of that vehicle in question. Okay? And unfortunately, it could, depending on your state, it could take a moment before you get that actual registration card. And let me just share this. So, if you are going to the DMV, you're coming from another state, there is no type of temp tag option for you if you don't have any valid credentials to provide the DMV. Okay, unfortunately, that's the case. If you don't have any legal documents to give to the DMV, they in turn will not give you anything. And that's just normally how it goes. Okay, so another thing that I want you guys to really think about is that insurance. Every state have different requirements, whether it be the monetary amount or any other requirements that goes with that. When it comes to insurance, you don't want to assume what worked in your prior state or what your prior state requested may not be the case for your new state. So make sure that your insurance, when it's being transferred over, is what your new state is going to require. Okay. Another thing you want to have is the name of your lien holder and their correct address. If the wrong address is provided for that lien holder, this will be an issue when it comes to that lien holder getting that title in question. Okay. And lastly, you want to make sure you have the proper title documents in terms of the application, bill of sale. These are supporting documents that will go with that title and or registration. So the title application, your bill of sale or purchase agreement, make sure you have those available as well when it comes to your out-of-state title and registration transaction. And also a proper form of ID. That's going to be important as well. So if you don't have that, that could be another issue. So these items that I cover on tonight, they are the very basics of what you would need for your out-of-state title and registration transaction. Again, the very basics, depending on your situation, depending on your circumstance and your state, You could be needing more additional documentation, but these are the core basics, to get the ball rolling for you. And if you don't have these, of course, you will be facing DMV rejection. If you have any questions pertaining to getting your vehicle title in another state or out of state title and registration transaction, feel free to drop me a line below or visit me at wisdomandauthority.com. Follow me on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Click share and subscribe. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.